Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Jeep Patriot. First, gather your tools like a jack stands, a socket set, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands before you begin any work. This ensures a safe and stable environment for the entire process. Now, let's get to removing the old strut. After taking off the wheel, you'll need to disconnect the brake line and the ABS sensor wire from the strut assembly. Next, unbolt the two lower strut mounting bolts that connect to the steering knuckle. Then, move to the engine bay and unbolt the three upper strut mount nuts. With these fasteners removed, you can carefully pull the entire strut assembly out. This is where we infuse that fantastic soy sauce flavor. Carefully drain most of the cooking water from your pot, leaving just about 1/4 of a cup. Next, stir in the ramen seasoning packet that came with your noodles, ensuring it's fully dissolved. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to elevate the savory notes and give your ramen an extra layer of deliciousness. Finally, let's reinstall the new strut assembly. Carefully guide the new strut back into its position, aligning the upper studs with the holes in the strut tower. Secure the 3 upper strut mount nuts, but don't fully tighten them yet. Then, reattach the 2 lower strut bolts to the steering knuckle. Once everything is in place, torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's specified values, typically around 125 foot-pounds for the lower bolts. Double-check all connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.